What's going on, everybody? Zen here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this red Kia, again, doors, back doors, this time the driver's side. On the body line, on the lower body line, there is a dent. It's not that bad. Let's check it out. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna push from the wiring harness right here. It's a nice access point, and I'm also gonna lift the car up a bit so it's easier to push. I don't want to be bending all the way down. Sitting normally, pushing easy, good leverage, that's the way to go. Now let's fix it. This is our access point. It's just rubber. Move it away. Really nice access point there. So the tools I used for this repair is this one, Dent craft, nice bend with the cherry cap on it. Then I switched to double bend, a little more sharp, to finish the dent off. So this turned out perfect. If you like this video, please press the like button and click the subscribe button. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.